Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this session, we're going to discuss the quality configuration property used in the OpenAI Image Generation API call. Understanding this property will help us generate images that meet our desired standards in terms of visual fidelity and detail. The quality configuration property allows you to specify the level of detail and resolution for the images generated by the AI. This property can be extremely helpful for applications which are concerned with the quality of the visual output and how the image quality impacts the user experience or the usability of the images. There are two options available for the OpenAI Image Generation API call, Standard and HD. Let's take a look at them both. First, Standard is the default quality setting and is suitable for most general purposes. It provides a good balance between image detail and computational efficiency, meaning the standard quality image can be generated more quickly. Next is the HD quality setting. HD, or high definition, generates images with higher detail and resolution, making it ideal for applications where image quality is paramount, such as in high-end marketing materials, detailed visual artworks, or other scenarios requiring high-grade image fidelity. However, these images may take longer to generate due to the computational requirements to produce the increased detail and resolution. Which of these you ultimately choose very much depends on the specific needs and requirements of your specific project. Let's jump back into our code and see how to set the quality property and use it for our image generation. Back in our defs file, we'll create a union variable and name it image quality. This union variable accepts one of two string values, standard or HD. Here, we'll initialize ours to HD. And then, we'll add the quality property to our OpenAI configurations object and use the image quality variable as the quality's property value. Note, the quality property is only available for the DALL-E 3 model, so be sure to set the model correctly as well. By setting the quality property to HD, you instruct the API to generate images with higher resolution and detail, enhancing the visual impact of the output. Conversely, if computational efficiency and faster generation times are more critical for your application, you can stick with the default standard quality. In summary, the quality property lets you specify the level of detail and resolution for images generated by the AI. Remember, this property is only available with the DALL-E 3 model, so be sure the correct model is set for the configuration. Also, while the HD quality setting can produce higher resolution images, it also requires more time to generate the image. This computational time cost is a trade-off between higher resolution images and longer generation times, and is an important consideration when setting the quality level. Using the appropriate quality settings can significantly affect the performance and visual appeal of your generated images, and must be properly balanced when considering which to use in your solution. That's all for now. In our upcoming lessons, we'll continue to explore additional properties and techniques to optimize your interactions with the OpenAI Image Generation API call. Stay tuned, and let's continue enhancing our AI-powered applications together.